Hey, hope you're doing great. So, if you're running TikTok ads, but you haven't set up the TikTok pixel properly, you are probably missing a lot of important data because TikTok needs pixel tracking to understand what people are doing on your store, like viewing products, adding to cart, or purchasing. Without that data, your ads can't optimize well and you might be wasting budget. So, in this video, I will show you how to set up TikTok picture browser site tracking through GTM step by step. So, without further ado, let's get started. To set up the TikTok pixel browser site tracking, first of all, we need a GTM container. And I already created this GTM container. You can see here if you don't know how to create a GTM container, then you can explore my channel. You will find here the video. And then we need TikTok pixel. We also created this one as well as I have to now enable the data layer and I will show you everything. So to enable the data layer, I have to go to my Shopify backend. You can see this is the Shopify dashboard. And from here, you can see settings. And here you can see customer events. And in the right side here you can see custom pixel. Just click here and now add custom pixel, then write a name, add pixel, and then remove these things. From permission, just select not required, and data cell, just select the last one. Now you have to write some code here. So I already have a code and I will use this code. This code will help you to enable the data layer theme independently. If you change the theme, then it doesn't matter. The data layer will work for every theme. Okay, just paste the code here. Now I need to do some changes. Copy this GTM code and replace here. And here are lots of schema. You can see here Google Ads, dynamic remarketing, FB pixel conversion, API, TikTok, etc. So in my case, I need just e-commerce and TikTok. So I'm going to just enable this TikTok on. Okay. And now I can click on save. Let's click on connect. Let's preview the GTM and take a look. The data layer is working or not. So click on preview. Item event is fired. If I show you the data layer, you can see here this is the e-commerce data layer and this is TikTok schema data layer. Nice. Let's click on checkout. So here you can see it. The begin checkout event is fired. If I purchase this one, then you will understand. The purchase event is done. If I go to tag as stunt, you can see here, this is the purchase event. So here you can see all this data. This is the e-commerce and this is for TikTok. Okay, done. Now I need to create some variables. For page view, I don't need to create any variable, but for view content, add to cart, checkout, and purchase, I need to create some variables. So for content ID, first of all, content ID can copy the TikTok and content IDs. Go to variables, new, then data layer variable, TikTok dot content IDs. Save. Now contents. Now currency. Now value. TikTok dot value. Save. Now if I scroll down, then here you can see everything is saved. I just need to create a quantity. Now I need to create a variable for pizza. So go to the TikTok Ad Manager, and here you can see tools and event manager. If I go to the data sources, then here you can see I already created a pixel. So I'm going to use this one. Just copy this pixel ID, go to tag manager, create new, then it will be constant. Just paste it here. Okay, that's great. Okay, and now from tags, click on new. Then I'm going to use the TikTok pixel by step. If you want, then you can use the TikTok official one. So if you can't find here, then you can click on template gallery here and you'll find. So just click here. Event setup method will be override, and first event is page view. So no need to do anything. Just trigger it all pages. And now pixel ID. And now save. Just click on this tag and I can easily copy this one. From event section, select view content, and from event parameters, add some parameters here. Content IDs, contents, currency, value, content type will be product, and content IDs. This one, we created these variables through the data layer variable. Okay, contents, currency, and value. That says the trigger. The trigger will be custom event. So click here, custom event, it will be view item. Well, click on save. Again, click on view content tag, filter icon, copy. It will be add to cart. Then content type, content ID, everything same. Just add the num items and change the trigger. Now initiate checkout or begin checkout. It's saying because our data layer will capture all this data. It doesn't matter people purchase only single item or multiples item. Just sense the trigger. Let's save. Now purchase. Before creating purchase event, I need to create three variables. If I go to variables and from here, I need to collect email, phone, and external ID. TikTok, user data. Then here is the email. And for phone, I don't have the option for providing phone, but it's saying like this. Just write here phone. Now external ID. Now go to tags, checkout. You can copy this one. To make the video faster, I'm going to copy these tags, but in your case, I recommend you to do everything manually so that you can't miss anything. So this is for purchase, event purchase, and user data, email, phone external ID. Now let's change the trigger. Give you parses, save. So let's preview and check the setup is working or not. Before testing, we need to install our plugin, and the plugin name is TikTok Pixel Helper, because sometimes Event Manager takes some time to show the data. So you can see here, three events are fired: page view, landing page view, as well as engaged session. Let's view a product. Here you can see view content, and here is the content IDs, content type, then contents, currency, and value. Now add to cart event is fired, and it's same. Let's go to checkout. You can see here checkout event is fired. If I go here, then you can see what kind of data I sent. Content type, product, content IDs. This is the content IDs, which is matching with the merchant center. Contents, currency, value, purposes. Purchase event is done. If I show you the TikTok Pixel Helper, here I can see the purchase event expired. So this is the value, total value, and this is the email, hash email, what we have provided here. Somehow we don't have the phone number option here. That is why the phone number is empty, I think. If I go to the tag assistant purchase event, here if we show you, here is the user data list. Phone number, this is the email, phone number is empty, and this is the external ID value. So I hope you guys could understand all these things. And if you have question or confusion, feel free to ask in the comment section. And if you need any help with tracking, any kind of tracking, then feel free to reach out to me. Thanks a lot for watching. See you again in the next video. Till then, goodbye.